If you're seeing a monday.com error when removing a user, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to managing your workspace. We'll cover the most common causes, from a simple page refresh to checking your internet connection, disabling browser extensions, and reviewing user and board permissions inside monday.com. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this one. Let's get started. First, refresh the page. Sometimes the issue is just a temporary loading problem, and a quick refresh is enough to clear it. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your internet speed. Open your browser and search for a speed test, then run the test and make sure your connection is stable. A weak or unstable connection can cause monday.com actions to fail, especially when changing user access or removing someone from a workspace. If your internet looks fine, move on to browser extensions. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and temporarily turn off any ad blockers or other extensions that could interfere with monday.com. Some extensions can block scripts or permission screens, which may trigger errors when you try to remove a user. After that, log into monday.com and check the user role. Click your profile picture, go to Admin, then Directory, then Users, and open user roles. This is important because not every user can be removed in the same way. If the person has the wrong role, or if you don't have the correct admin access, monday.com may stop the action and show an error. Next, check the board permissions. Open the relevant board, click Share, and review the user access level. Make sure the person is assigned the correct role, whether that's viewer, member, or admin. If the permissions are not set correctly, you may need to adjust them before monday.com will let you remove the user successfully. At this point, if the error was caused by a browser issue, a connection problem, or a permissions mismatch, the removal should work normally after these checks. If not, try repeating the process in a fresh browser session or after signing out and back in again. That can help reset any temporary session problem that is interfering with monday.com. And that's it. You've now gone through the main fixes for the monday.com error when removing a user. Start with the simple checks first, then work through extensions, roles, and board access until the issue is resolved. If this video helped you out, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick monday.com tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.